Welcome to our cooking class. Would you like to cook with us? Great! Today we are going to teach you how to make delicious ham and cheese muffins. You can eat them during school break, at home, or whenever you feel like eating something yummy. It's a simple recipe and I am sure you will love it. Call your family and friends to cook with you. Are you ready? Well then, let's start! First, let's take a look at the ingredients. We will need, for the dough, a 1/4 cup of oil, 1/2 cup of milk, 1 egg, 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then 120 grams of cheese cut into pieces and 150 grams of ham cut into pieces. Now that you know the ingredients, let's check the utensils that we will need to make our delicious muffins. A blender, a muffin or cupcake pan, a bowl, and a wooden spoon. Now that you have seen all the ingredients and the utensils, it's time to start. First, let's prepare the dough. Put the oil, the milk, the egg into the blender and mix them well. Add the flour, the salt, and blend them all together until the dough is smooth. Add the baking powder and mix it with the wooden spoon. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, go! Now the dough is ready. What's next? Place the dough in a big bowl. Add the ham and cheese and mix them in the dough. Let's do it together. Come with me. Now the dough is ready. Grease the baking pan. Then pour the dough into the individual cups in the baking pan. Once you have finished, ask for help to preheat the oven. Bake the muffins for about 35 minutes or until they are golden brown. Let's do it! Our ham and cheese muffins are ready. Let's try them, shall we? Delicious, yummy! Did you like this recipe? Leave a comment below and tell us who would you like to invite to make this delicious recipe with you. Follow us and we will notify you whenever we have any new episodes. Enjoy!